guys, let's fix this inverter together. Power of 300 watts. I've already teared down the back cover, and let's remove the screws on the side. This is a temperature sensor, so if the temperature of the mainboard going too high, and it can protect it. And this is the high frequency transformer. And now we got to pull the mainboard out. But first we need to make the MOSFET remove that stick on the fixture. Okay, board is out, and we check if the input port is any shorts. Diode mode. Offline. Change pin. And 0.480. It's okay. Okay, the input is no short, so like plug in the power supply and check what is happening. The input voltage is 12 voltage DC, and I use my repairing power supply and turn it to 12 watts. But the current is not very high enough, and this is the power on switch. If we press it, normally the whole system should be running. And let's press it and see what happens. Okay, the green and red light flashing in meantime. In normal situation, there's only green lights flashing, and if the red light flashing, it means something wrong on the board. Maybe somewhere has shorts. Maybe somewhere the voltage is too high and the mainboard protects itself and give out the warning. Okay, let me show you something. I press the power on button and see the light is flashing, and you see the repairing power supply current is jumping up and down, up and down. What that mean? That means something is short and the current goes through it, and the repairing power supply protect.
I think 有没有短路？短路状态。有可能我们误判。我们给
So how to find out the short elements? Let's plug in a big current and let the current go through the broken elements, and it should be hot. And we use finger to touch the element, and we will find it quickly. I think the main capacitor is good because I can't see anything wrong in the appearance. And now I got 3 volts plugged in the main capacitor and turn the current on the limitation of 4 amperes. So if any short, the 4 amperes will go through the broken elements. So it will be getting very hot, you know. And now we use a finger to touch on the board and see if anything getting hot. Unfortunately, I cannot find anything getting hot. It's very weird. 4 amperes go through the elements, and there's no hot. So I desoldering the main capacitor and check it again, and there's no short. and check the main capacitor. It is short. It's so strange.
奇怪了，
Come on.
非常奇怪的一个现象，
Short is very strange.
非常奇怪。
Okay.
我们量一下电。
And now let's use electric bridge to check the main capacitor so we can see something detail.
看出来，它到底有没有问题？这个电容是
Okay, the capacitor is plugged in, and we cannot see anything about the capacitor value. What's that mean? Now it's 3.3 and it's jumping.
只有
So it's disappeared. So the capacitor value is not stable. Not stable.
改变一下频率。先首先看地
No reading.
的话，现在已经到了。
And the D quality value is jumping about
这个电容的
5.
性能已经非常低。
Anyway, this capacitor is very wrong element.
我们在短路的那边可能就出在这颗电容上。
We will change it.
现在我们需要找一个耐压450度以上，然后
Okay, I have found another good capacitor, and I will check it. It's normal and it's good. So we sorting it on the board. Okay, finally we assemble it up. And now I plug in a 100 watts light bulb, and the bulb light up, but the buzzer is beeping. It's because my retail power supply have no current enough to supply this bulb, so I have to change another load. And I plug in my electric screwdriver charger, and you can see it's charging. My screwdriver is charging, and you can see the green lights. So be it, the inverter has been fixed. See you next time.